First of all, welcome in my Jackson YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to information about Celcom, how to check in internet data on Celcom Malaysia. First of all, you must dial *118 and you must click the one and choose one, check the balance, and here you can see number 2 internet, click the 2 internet, and here you can see message has been delivered to check internet balance. Download Celcom Live app from Google Play Store. If you download the Celcom apps, you can easily check internet on Celcom app. You can download from Google Play Store or App Store. Thank you in this video.
अरे बतिए रहे मगर हम कैसे ना उस दिन